To add an exponential moving average or EMA on TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of your chosen asset. Click on the Indicators tab located at the top of the screen. This will open a new window with a search bar. In the search bar, type exponential moving average and select the EMA option from the drop-down list. Once you have selected the EMA, a new window will appear with various settings and parameters. The first parameter is the length, which refers to the number of periods used in the calculation of the EMA. The default length is 14, but you can adjust this to suit your trading strategy. A shorter length will make the EMA more sensitive to price movements, while a longer length will make it less sensitive. The next parameter is the source, which determines the price data used to calculate the EMA. You can choose from close, open, high, low, or other options. The most common choice is close, which uses the closing price of each period. You can also choose to apply the EMA to a specific price, such as the open or high. After setting the length and source, you can customize the appearance of the EMA on your chart. You can change the color, line style, and line width to make the EMA stand out or blend in with other indicators. You can also add multiple EMAs with different lengths to create a moving average crossover strategy. To apply the EMA to your chart, click the Apply button. The EMA will be added to your chart, and you can use it to analyze trends and make trading decisions. You can also use the EMA in combination with other indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index or Bollinger Bands, to create a comprehensive trading strategy. In addition to using the EMA as a standalone indicator, you can also use it to create alerts and notifications. To do this, click on the alert icon located at the top of the screen, and then select the EMA as the condition for the alert. You can set the alert to trigger when the price crosses above or below the EMA, or when the EMA crosses above or below another indicator. By following these steps, you can add an EMA to your TradingView chart and use it to improve your trading decisions. Remember to experiment with different lengths and sources to find the EMA that works best for your trading strategy.